Hi, Jon. Here are some corrections from today's class. We looked at using get for different verbs. Okay, but starting with some other stuff. Estoy muy ocupado. I have a lot on my plate. I have a lot on my plate. Aún no sabemos mucho del COVID. We still don't know much about COVID. We still don't know much about COVID. Or, we don't know much about COVID yet. We don't know much about COVID yet. Okay. Necesito terminar el horario. I need to get the schedule done. I need to get the schedule done. Tengo que mirar quién tiene más antigüedad. I have to check who has more seniority. I have to check who has more seniority. Si no pueden coger los días que quieren, se enfadan. If they can't get the days they want, they get angry. If they can't get the days they want, they get angry. Una cosa buena de mi trabajo es que tengo los fines libres. One of the perks of my job is that I have weekends free. Or I have weekends off. One of the perks of my job is that I have weekends off. Or weekends free. All right, here's a great phrase. Es la persona que corta el bacalao. They are the person who calls the shots. They're the person who calls the shots. And then lastly, this is a word from English, but it's not used the same way. So, un handicap. We could say a limitation or a barrier. A limitation or a barrier.